had a number of people comment on a video we posted last week on Karen's blueberry cinnamon coffee cake, kind of in that bundt cake pan. And they wanted to know if they could get the ingredients. So I'm going to list the ingredients in the description for you, Koba, and we'll also list the ingredients for Karen's granola in the description also. So you can get both of them and try them out. They're both delicious. You'll love them. Today, Karen is going to make some natural granola. The ingredients include old-fashioned rolled oats, whole grain, maple syrup, extra virgin olive oil, some almonds, some pecans, some raisins. I love raisins. Some sunflower seeds, some pumpkin seeds, a splash of vanilla, and then some coconut chips. This will be some good stuff.
Well, looks like it tastes good. Certainly tell the difference between the high dollar brand and the cheaper brand. 4 cups.
What's going in next?
I'll put the pecan in there.
In they go. Are these pumpkin seeds?
These are the raw pumpkin. And I bought some sunflower seeds. Cinnamon.
Oh yeah, you gotta have cinnamon.
And I'm all out. Hopefully this is enough. I love cinnamon.
Looks like it'll be a trip to Trader Joe's.
And I love nutmeg. A few slivered almonds.
In go the almonds.
Let's mix it all up. Half a cup of extra virgin olive oil.
Oily. What's that do for this?
Hopefully adhere it all together. Maple syrup. Half a cup of maple syrup. So that one, this one. Vanilla in this. And now I'm going to pour it in there. Stir it all up. Enough to coat it all.
You think that's coated pretty good?
It looks like it. Hopefully that's what makes it stick together and close.
And then you gotta roast it.
350 degree oven for about 21 minutes. You stir halfway through.
So for all of you who are on a natural diet, you don't want sugars in your diet, this is an excellent snack. There is no refined sugar involved in this. It's all organic and raw materials.
Putting it on a half sheet pan with parchment paper. So hopefully be a little easier to clean.
And while the granola is doing its thing in the oven, I went and bought some flowers from the grocery store because I just love flowers on the windowsill. Aren't they nice? And yellow happens to be my favorite color. So the timer went off, and now Karen has got to stir the stuff. Make sure it's all looking good. Out of the oven, onto the stove. Do your thing, Karen.
Stir it. I'm going to add the coconut right now.
Add a little coconut and stir it all up. Is that the wrong song?
Probably.
Is it the lime in the coconut?
I think that's it.
Coconut chips.
All right, I'm smashing it down with a spatula, pressing it down a little bit, so hopefully it keeps baking. It's going to clump together.
And give it that granola look.
Yeah. You don't want it in little tiny pieces. You can break it up to whatever size you want in there. Like a giant cake.
Well, it's back in the oven again. See how it turns out. Well, it's out of the oven now, and we're letting it cool. It's a little warm. And then we're going to give it a try. This looks like it's going to be excellent granola.
Okay, here it is. Got parchment paper. They won't come for the dog. A few big ones. So this is just the first time. We might practice putting a little more maple syrup in there, honey.
Now we're adding the raisins, and I love raisins. This makes a lot of granola, and we could probably make another batch this size.
Yeah. Next time I'll adjust it. I think I'll put in honey, add more honey. That way it might stick together. That hasn't stuck together very clumpy.
So here it is. I'm going to give it a try. And I'll be honest with you. If it's not good, I'll let you know. It's really good. So, for all of you that are looking to cut out sugar, it's the way to go. A great treat. Get you through the day, give you energy. It's all organic foods. And it tastes fantastic.
Sprinkle it on your salads,
Yeah.
in your yogurt.
Yes, I eat yogurt. I eat yogurt every day. This would be great in my yogurt. I've been putting grape nuts in it, but I have grape nuts when I can have this. So Karen's going to refine the recipe, make it even better, but I don't know how it can get much better than this, but I'll let you know.